Hi, I'm Doug Carson. So I work for Keysight Technologies, based in Edinburgh in Scotland. And I'm what's called a solution consultant. So we take customer requirements, develop the solution with the technologies that we have to hand within our products. And I'm currently the technical lead on a cybersecurity and analysis program here in Edinburgh. I've been an engineer for 27 years. I started as a graduate engineer at Hewlett Packard at our South Queensferry site. And from there I worked on, I was an architect on the Access 7 program, which is a telecommunications monitoring system. So been involved in critical infrastructure for a long time. From there I moved to the US, and a posting in the US for 3 years where I was a solution consultant working on voice over IP systems. So that was my first exposure to the internet. From there I returned. The company was spun out as Agilent Technologies, where we're doing more work on, again, large measurement systems, looking more in the security area on that. And from there I've developed that into developing tools and techniques for analysing vulnerabilities in electronic systems. I think what I'm passionate about, I think trying to get the same start that I did as an engineer. I was, I suppose, one of the first batch of software engineers, so we were new to the technology and we had to evangelise the technology, and we feel the same about cybersecurity. It's something that perhaps some of the contact with electronics has been lost over the years. So we're passionate about talking about electronic measurement and the techniques behind that to new graduates and the academic field, and also learning from them about cybersecurity, so we can basically help to design devices that are secure from the outset. Well, our current focus is looking at how do we make devices secure by default. A lot of the industry at the moment is, I suppose, after devices have shipped, and there's bolt-on security and patches and product recalls. We'd like to have the tools and techniques in place for the industry so that they can do in-depth tests in the design and verify that those devices are good, so that customers can get the devices to market faster with a high degree of confidence that they're going to operate and be secure and have the best experience for their end customers. How is our research relevant? I think we have to look at the modern society is incredibly connected. We have, in the future, self-driving cars, remote medicine, lots of financial technology and innovation coming through, as well as things like internet and ongoing sensors. Now, clearly society wants to have the benefits of that, but they want to have the privacy of those devices as well. So that again feeds into our work about making things as secure as possible, making sure that bad actors can't get access to device and your personal data, so that again we can have confidence in this new technology so that we can use it for the better. I think the concerns are that sometimes information devices are put out perhaps for the right level of testing, or perhaps people are just unaware of the testing that can be done. So we're trying to be more open about what tests can do, put reference solutions out there so that customers can test those designs. So we want to be able to communicate with our end customers to let them know what solutions are available, so that again they can help design those devices. Our future vision was a modern electronic engineer would have all the tools at his disposal, so that actually when he's designing a chip or a new device, in a simulation environment, they could do all the tests that requires to look for vulnerabilities right from the outset, and then take that through to the prototyping stage. When he brings in a new piece of software, for example, onto his device, he or she has a high degree of confidence that the provenance is good of the code, it's going to work, that there are no vulnerabilities in that, and also that when the devices are manufactured, the tests are done so that all the supply chain is understood, etc. And lastly, when the device is out there, they can be managed, upgraded, and consumers will have confidence that those devices are secure and safe.